Hello, Puddin'.
Let's have some fun.
This is so fun.
Oh, yes. I'm kinda sorry for ruining your beautiful hair.
The prank was a success. Should we take a selfie with our big win? Smile, Superman. This will be the last pic of you. Look.
Nice.
I'll glue it into our album. 25 years ago.
Well, what is it?
Negative. We won't become parents.
Don't worry, honey. Don't cry.
I really want a baby.
What do we do?
Are the upstairs neighbors moving the furniture again?
What? Holy moly!
Are these aliens?
That's a weird meteorite.
What's wrong with it? It's too bright.
Oh no!
It's a baby! The universe heard my prayers!
Oh, yes!
This is our son! He is the best! What's wrong with his eyes? He must be hungry!
I'll bring him milk!
The diapers came in handy! Oh gosh! He's levitating!
I brought a bottle! No way! Is he flying?
Now you are going to have a delicious lunch!
Here you go!
That's it! He's already eaten everything! Bring more milk! You've got a good appetite, baby! That wasn't easy! Oh, what's wrong with him? Kids!
Here, put him down. Let him rest.
Sleep, my little angel.
It's time for me to go to work.
Bye, hon. Good luck. What? Baby? Hello, Mom. I think we overfed you. You've grown up so fast. Now it's time for you to go to school. Here, this will come in handy. This is so you don't freeze. Take your backpack, my dear. Have fun at school.
Test results! Not so super after all. I got an F? What did you expect? You did the worst out of everyone. No, I can't be the worst. Not me. He broke the desk.
What a nightmare!
Oops, I think I overreacted. You are in big trouble. Get out. Only after you. All right. Bye, guys. It's time to redeem yourself. You have to clean up all this trash. Now. I'll check it out. Yes, sir. I guess I'm doing community service. Is no one watching? Okay. The trash is all gone. Cleaning complete. 10 years later.
It's finally lunchtime. What a perfect sandwich.
Can I have some? Will you share?
Lois Lane doesn't share food with freaks.
Want to see a magic trick? Where is my finger?
Come on, show me another trick.
Look.
How do you do it? It looks disgusting.
What? Not impressed? I'll take it myself.
Leave my lunchbox alone, you rude freak.
I want a sandwich. What? I think that young lady is in trouble. You need my help. Hey, boy! Give this young lady back her lunchbox! Oh no! It fell! You need to be taught a lesson! Nice underpants, buddy! This is humiliating! Bye-bye, freak! Your lunchbox! Lois!
Superman!
Here's your perfect sandwich! Hey, do you want to go to the movies with me?
I'd love to!
Then hold on tight! Do you like it?
Wow! What am I feeling?
We made it here in a flash!
I dropped the tickets!
A date! Good afternoon! Can we have 2 tickets to this movie? There's only 1 ticket left. I'm sorry. Only 1? Don't be upset.
Are there any more tickets?
I'll think of something. Oh! Here's the ticket. Wait a minute. Hey, buddy, can you lend me a ticket? Help me out. I need 2 tickets. I'm on a date. Okay, thank you very much. Gotcha, dummy. But fine, you can't bring candy in here. That's not mine. I have a plan B. I don't care. No outside food allowed. I just have to check something. I knew it. Gotcha, clown. No candy. Get out of here. Here's my ticket. Are you hiding food? Let me check. Hey, guard. What do you need? He has candy on his back. Check it out. Turn around. That's right. Contraband. Get out, rule breaker. And here's the second ticket. Nice job, Superman. Here are our tickets. Great. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you, Superman. You got lipstick left on your cheeks. Yes, great.
I'm going to ruin your perfect date. What a sweet couple. That was the funniest part.
Oh, look, a lost dog. Poor thing.
Don't worry, Lois. I have an idea.
What are you up to? Wow, it's a super dog. Hello, sweetie. You are so cute.
Super Rick. Want the frisbee? Catch.
Wow. Superman, he's the perfect dog.
Yes, I know. I've come up with something too. It's time to separate this sweet couple forever.
Help! Help! Ready for dinner?
I hear someone calling for help. I'll be right back.
Bye, Superman.
Good evening. This is for you.
No, I'm waiting for my Superman.
Please, smell the flowers.
Ugh, what's that stink? Oh, wow! This is my new style! Hello, Puddin'!
This is for you, my love! The love spray worked!
Joker, you're the best guy ever! Extra strong obsessive love spray!
Woo! Who called for help? Where is the sound coming from?
Woo!
The trash?
Woo!
Loser? This is a setup! Someone tricked Superman! Darn it! Lois! Where are you? Lois!
Hey, friend! I saw something!
What? Lois and the Joker? From the Joker and Harley with love? No way! She betrayed me! Nothing will remind me of her again! Goodbye, Lois! Lois, how could you? I will throw away all the proof of our love. Stupid romance.
Take that, pigeon spy! No more photos! Robbing a bank is a piece of cake. Beware! Boo! Take that far away, Puddin'! Batman, what do you think about this?
I am Batman. I don't think. I just act. Well said. There's nothing good on TV.
Another scandalous crime by the Joker and Harley. Where is Superman? Only he can save us. I'm going to blow everything up, and no one can stop me.
I have to stop them. But not in a bathrobe. It's time to whip myself into shape. Superman is in the game again. My hair is perfect. Great. We are so back.
Do you need money? This is a bribe to keep you quiet.
Okay. What's that? Oh no, I don't feel good. Everything is foggy.
Hello, sweetie.
Get down to our level, Superman!
Oh, yes! Superman suit!
There is still a little left. Oh, no! I'm almost sorry to ruin your hair.
Down, down, down! Let's take a selfie! Say cheese! We all look good!
Nice!
I'll glue your last photo into our super album! That's it, Superman! You are finished!
Dive to the bottom, buddy! No! I know who will help me!
It's too late to whistle, sweetie!
Hey! What is this? What's going on? Come on, Super Rick! Press the button, buddy! Save me! Stupid dog! I hate animals! Where's Superman? You are done, Joker!
I give up! My pants! What humiliation! Fun! How dare you, Superman!
Wait a second! First, try my spray!
You are so macho!
1 second!
No! What's wrong with me? Where did these clothes come from? You saved me! Oh, look! A photo album! Let's see what's inside! Oh, that's so sweet!
Man, where do you think you're going? Comment down below what superpowers you wish you had. So, you still question me? Come on in, man. Enjoy the movie.
Did you see that?
Superhero movie theater.
I might have a date with Superman.
June, I've been waiting for you my whole life. Hey, June. Never mind. Superhero movie theater. My dream. Superman. To meet you was my dearest dream. Dreams come true. Brilliant idea. Come. I'll borrow this curtain. Hey, Mr. Security. Who's the freak in a curtain? Superheroes only. I'm Superman. Look. So?
Nope.
Wait till you see kryptonite. Fly, loser. I can fly. Oh, I don't think I can.
Got it! Got it! I didn't! Sorry! Are you okay?
Unless you are a superhero, you can't get in.
Where's the entrance to the movie theater? Right here! Freak! He can't get in! Excuse me, sir! My ticket!
It's only open for superheroes. Are you one of them? I don't think so. What you got there? You fell for it like a kid. Mr. Hulk, I got it. I'm really sorry. Phew, took me a while to see it was actually him.
Did you see that? Amazing! I have an idea. Ew, it stinks.
What are you doing? The smell.
That's the reaction I was expecting.
What is this? Who in the name of Marvel are you?
Here's the ticket.
What's this?
Hey, I'm as vast in our world.
I've had enough of this charade. Come out. Oh, you don't want it. Holy chemicals. This is nasty. I feel different. Goodbye, fake Hulk. You'll hold him while I'm doing my karate moves on him.
Oh, look! It's Gwen Stacy. Here's my ticket.
Superheroes only. Sorry.
Oh, come on. Watch and drool over.
Hey, where did she go?
I'm right here. I'll get popcorn too. Was that convincing?
Yeah.
Hold this. Do you like my superpower? If you do, hit the thumbs up. Tony, say hi to our friends.
I want the camera back.
My bad.
Your popcorn, Gwen. Enjoy. I know what to do. I'll be a minute.
You secured a Spider-Man costume. It looks legit. Great idea, Ray. What?
It's me, Ray. Watch me walk into the movies.
Oh, no.
You're my favorite Avenger. Excuse me. 2 Spider-Men? That's not gonna work. Hey, you guys. Comment down below which Spider-Man is the real one. Spidey, game over. Fans, come on in, man. Enjoy the movie.
Nope.
I gotta get out of here. You can't trick me. Hey, bro. So what? Yeah. Here's my ticket. Any superpowers? Sure. Hold this. Come on. Shoo. Okay. You had it coming. Not bad.
Wow.
Again. Okay. Go. How come? Is that good?
Ray, the hair is crazy.
Bro, we had fun shooting. Come on in. Enjoy the movie.
Cool idea. You could do that.
That's sick, right? I'm going in.
He's nuts if he thinks that's gonna work.
Hey, here's a gun. What are these? Minion guns? You'll see. Almost there. That's it. Fire!
I can't figure it out.
Loser.
See? She's super cool. Who is she?
I have no idea.
Here's my ticket.
Show me your superpower.
Okay. See my hammer? Pick it up.
No sweat. It's harder than I expected.
Aw, thank you guys.
Okay, I trust you. Come in.
Finally, I told you.
Enjoy the movie. I clearly need to work out. Who are you?
I'm Floor Lamp.
Impressive.
Ray?
It worked.
Now, try picking up my hammer.
Okay.
Super glue. Super strong and super durable. I'll admit, you have it in you. Come on in.
Great. Thanks, buddy. See you later.
Wait a minute. You forgot something.
I don't really care. Okay.
What's wrong? What is it? So that's the trick. Makes sense. Tricking a guard is a crime. You are crazy. We're getting there. Oops, my hand. Two geniuses. Wrong hand. What if… No. Is that Lady Flash? Here's my ticket. Do you have a superpower? You have to ask? Hold it.
Huh?
I'll be right back. Another souvenir straight from Paris. Here you are. Thanks. I love knickknacks. Come in. See you. That was fast. I have an idea. No. Yes, you'll see. Hey, it's Lady Flash. Come on, go right ahead. What's your superpower? Wait till you see. 1, 2, 3, go! That's too much. Here's some legit superpower. No, I got it. I'm taking my super speed with me. Hasta la vista, losers. Look what I got. What is it doing? Give me back my glove! Oh boy! Run! You'll regret this! Stop! Oh, a security badge! I'm the boss of this place! Who's that?
Here's my ticket.
Thank you, miss. Hold on, what have you got?
Hey!
No fast food, ice cream, or candy.
In that case, get to know my friends, Gwen and Jane.
I can't. Toys. Creepy.
Let's play. Gwen, your move.
What?
Hey, you.
Hi. To what do I owe the pleasure?
You have to apologize, Jane. Someone won't let Mila in? Who caused the thunder? Girls? Yes, Mila. Take him away. Taste my web. You think that's it? Here's my hammer, Molyneux. Say hello to my little friend. Bye, loser. High five, bestie. Let's roll. Mila, come. The entry is clear. Here are our seats. Whoa, that's sick. So, where are my snacks? Good point. Here. Phew, I can't breathe. I mean the snacks. Oh, sure. Here they are. What? I want some. May I? Yeah, enjoy. M&Ms?
M&Ms? I want some.
No worries. There's enough to go around. I don't mind.
Snacks at my movie theater? What am I paying this idiot for? No, I'm allergic to cats. How about Barbie? I hope you know CPR, because you just took my breath away. Get a grip. Right, Deadpool and Wolverine. Wolverine comes out on top. Hey, freak! Candy heads, I'll make you sorry. Ugh, a bunch of lunatics. This is my place now. So, who's willing to take a chance? Put it on. Technicalities. Fine. Put the camera away.
That's what I'm talking about. Can't agree more. Spidey sense? What?
No candy!
Help my friends get back to the movies! Comment superhero down below and we'll be back together!
Shoo! Get out of here! Now!
What? What's the trick?
Rule breakers! No candy!
Gullible! How about that?
You shouldn't have! Piece of cake!
In that case, meet my hammer! What?
It was lopsided anyway! Girls, come on in!
Plan B! I'll do my best! There you go!
Come on, go all in! More!
There you go! Oh, I'm out of webs!
That's just perfect! Here's a sweater so you don't get cold!
We'll be back! Hey!
All clear! Any candy on you?
No! Come on!
Will I find any? I knew it!
Nightmare! He's a maniac! Ladies, have you seen this guy? He is wanted by the police. Isn't that… Nah, we haven't. No idea.
Adios, cop!
Is that you?
You're gonna scare off the perp! Oh, look! I look awesome here, right? Hey, I have a ticket now! Candy? Nah, nothing but guns, a bunch of swords, blasters, a slingshot, a bat. Only legal stuff. That's right. Come on in. Thanks, buddy.
Stop! Did you get it? Reading minds. Come. Mr. Wolverine?
To what do I owe the pleasure?
We actually… Police!
So what?
Have you seen him? Turn around! Right! The face kind of looks familiar. Who is that?
Right! He's actually inside!
That's cool! Awesome! A club! Let's catch him!
They're sketchy!
Hold the donut! Donuts for Mila and for us!
Are you dumb or what? I want you out!
Ah! That's unfair!
You, ladybug, get out! Ugh! Hangnails!
We have to see Mila ASAP!
Ladies, ciao!
Hey, why aren't you scared? What's he up to?
Awesome, dude! Don't call me dude, okay? Just a moment. Oh, here it is. Sorry, man. Oh, wrong pocket. Here's my ticket. Give it to me. What? Candy? No candy. Trash. Fine, no problem, boss. Sorry, runny nose. May I? Yeah. Hi, Mom.
Loser! Bye!
Ciao. Didn't really want to in the first place. Candy, bite. Got it. Come to Daddy.
Mila is all alone in there. What? That's actually a great idea. Toss it. Nice. Come. Hey, our tickets.
Are you kidding me? No candy.
How did that happen? We have candy. I told you.
Shut up! This is going in the trash.
Bye, Candy. No, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye.
Come on in.
My life will never be the same. pain! It's devastating! Life is cruel! You ate it up! Come on, Gwen!
Oh, missed it!
You're here! We have the craziest thing planned! Hurry up, Gwen! Give me a moment! I'm pulling!
Nothing slips away! Let's go, buddy! Wait a minute! Spider! You are done!
Did you like our new video? Then be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you next time!